Hi, welcome to Porsche of Bend. It's Rob Weston once again. I'm going to spend just a real quick minute teaching you guys how to connect your car to Porsche Connect. Porsche's made it wonderfully easy. Come on over, Ian. We're going to turn on the power. So far all I've done is turn on the power. I did one click with the key. We're going to simply go now to the screen, and you can see on the main menu right here, we're going to scroll up and press Apps. We are going to then drop down menu right here, this little stack of pages, and it says Manage Porsche ID. Tap that ID, press Link, press Link. You're going to get that code, and where you get that code, folks, you're going to get an email from Porsche a few days after you purchase your new car. That'll come in an email. It'll be a welcome to Porsche Connect. It'll be a code, and you go right into apps. Once again, you do the drop down as I spoke of. Manage Porsche ID, link new Porsche ID, put in your code, and it will pair and set up. It's an 8-digit code. Thank you very much. Appreciate you watching. Call with any questions. Once again, Rob Weston, Porsche Bend, Bend, Oregon. Thank you.
Kendall, let's start something great.